Hello, this is Micah Fawns, and I'm going to show you how to divide fractions using an area model. So if we have a fraction division problem, and we will just make one up here, 4/5 divided by 2/3. Now we all know that there's the traditional way to solve this where you can use the reciprocal and you can flip that divisor, the 2/3. This is our dividend and this is our divisor. We can flip the divisor and use the reciprocal 3/2 to solve this problem. That's one way that we can do that, and we'll come back to that in just a minute. But I want to show you a different way. So if we think about the fractions, and we have our numerator on top and our denominator on the bottom. If we think about the first denominator being our number of floors in a building, so in this case that's 5, so I'm going to draw the model 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And because we have a second fraction that we're working with, I'm going to draw a similar model, 5 floors in our building. And then I'm going to use our second denominator to represent the number of rooms on the floor. So in this case, there will be 3. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make those floors stand out a little bit better. And our model here will look the same. So we have two similar models to represent 4/5 and 2/3. So our next step is to look at our numerators. And in our dividend, our numerator is 4. So I'm going to pick up a different color. I'm going to use a pencil. And I'm going to go across four rows. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Shade those in. And then in my second model, I'm going to use my second numerator. And where this I was going horizontal, on my second model I'm going to go vertically and shade in 2. And so now to get my new fraction, which is going to end up being my answer here, my quotient, I'm going to add up how many squares are colored from the first model. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That becomes the numerator of my new fraction. And I'm going to count up the squares in my second model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That becomes my denominator. So 12/10, which is an improper fraction, and so I can reduce and make this a mixed number. How many tens are in 12? The answer is 1, with a remainder of 2 and 2/10, which can be further reduced to 1 and 1/5. Now I told you we'd go back up to the top and do this the traditional way so that we can see how this all works out. So 4/5 divided by 2/3. To find the answer the traditional way, we would use the reciprocal of 2/3. So this would look like 4/5 multiplied by 3/2. And then we simply multiply across. So 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10, which is the same answer that we got down here showing using our area model. So 12/10 can be further reduced and changed to a mixed number. 1 and 2/10 equals 1 and 1/5. Thank you.